This is a 2-bed 1-bath located in ONE225 York Mills at 1225 York Mills Road. Starting at the entrance, there is a large sliding door closet on the immediate left. Throughout the suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Directly ahead of the entrance is the kitchen and living room. The kitchen is on the immediate right. The one-wall kitchen includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, stone countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the wooden upper and lower cabinetry. The kitchen flows into the living room in an open concept design. The living room features floor-length glass windows with rolling shades on the back wall. On the left, there is a glass door with a rolling shade that leads onto the balcony. Across from the kitchen is a hallway that leads straight to the bathroom and 2 bedrooms. At the end of the hallway is a closet housing a white, energy-efficient, stacked laundry machine and dryer. To the left of the closet is the bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, shower and bathtub. The vanity features 2 cupboards below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Across from the bathroom is the secondary bedroom. The secondary bedroom features a large glass window with rolling shades on the back right wall. On the immediate left, is a large sliding door closet. Right of the secondary bedroom is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a large glass window with rolling shades on the back left wall. On the immediate right, there is a large sliding door closet. Across from the primary bedroom is a small den area.